Hey modern workers, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we are here to help you master the art of balancing life and work while staying super efficient. Our motto, work smart, live fully. Today, we're tackling a topic that's close to my heart, time management tips for side hustlers. But hold on, we're not going to talk about the same old advice you see everywhere. I've got some innovative and smart tips that you probably haven't heard before. So let's get into it. First up, we have the 3-2-1 method. This is a game changer. Here's how it works. Dedicate 3 hours of focused work on your side hustle, 2 hours for your main job or other responsibilities, and 1 hour for learning and self-improvement. This method ensures you're making consistent progress on your side hustle while still balancing other parts of your life. The key here is to be flexible with the time slots but consistent with the routine. Next, let's talk about the 5-minute microtask strategy. Break down your tasks into microtasks that can be completed in 5 minutes or less. This is perfect for those little pockets of time you find throughout the day. For example, instead of planning to write a blog post, break it down into microtasks like outline the introduction or research one key point. These small wins add up. Here's a fun one. The Pomodoro playlist. Create a playlist of songs that are exactly 25 minutes long. Use this playlist to time your Pomodoro sessions. When the music stops, you know it's time for a break. Not only does this keep you on track, but it also makes your work sessions more enjoyable. Plus, you can switch up your playlist to keep things fresh. Ever heard of killing 2 birds with 1 stone? The 2 birds technique is all about combining tasks. For instance, if you need to catch up on industry news, listen to a relevant podcast while you're commuting or exercising. This way, you're making the most of your time by doubling up on productivity. Finally, we have the accountability partner swap. Find a fellow side hustler and swap accountability roles. Each week, you'll check in on each other's progress and set new goals. This creates a sense of responsibility and keeps you motivated. Plus, it's a great way to share tips and support each other. There you have it. 5 innovative and smart time management tips for side hustlers. Remember, the key to success is consistency and making the most of your time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your working friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks from the modern workers. We've also provided links to some of the tools we mentioned in the description box below, just in case you want to check them out. Thanks for watching and see you next time.